Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can remove the SIM card at the Samsung Galaxy A37 5G. For that you will need next to the phone the SIM ejection tool, and it's part of the box. And if you open the box, you should find here at the cover of the box another little white box. If you remove it like that here, you should find here finally, if you have put it back, the SIM ejection tool. Okay, just release it. In case if you don't have it anymore, you can use also of course the edge of the good old paperclip. Okay, and if you're having a phone like this, you should have the SIM tray here below the phone, and there's a small hole in there in the SIM tray, and now you will need the edge of the SIM ejection tool or the paperclip. But please take care that you're using the hole which one is part of the SIM tray, because next to the SIM tray is another hole. This is a microphone, so please take care and use the hole which one is part of the SIM tray. Okay, take now the SIM ejection tool or the paperclip and enter the hole which one is part of the SIM tray, press a bit, and the SIM tray should come out. Okay, the SIM tray can contain two SIM cards. The first SIM card is always pretty easy because you just turn your SIM tray and the first SIM card is jumping out. If you want to remove the second SIM card, you can bend a bit the SIM tray, but be carefully. If you want to be sure that nothing will be damaged, just use the edge of the pin or the paperclip and enter one of these holes here at the SIM tray, and you can easily remove the second SIM card as well. So that's it. So just put back the SIM tray again. The first SIM card is always on top here now. Close it well, and yeah, that's it. I can reset it or give it to someone else now. So pretty easy, as you can see. And yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer a question. And if you sell it, I hope that you have a good price at the end. And yeah, if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my video. You can also check one of my other videos if you're interested in, or you can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for all your support, and yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.